Plumbers! As you know, or if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's plumbing adventure, we're running a new sewer on a existing big project. I'm going to try to get a couple shots of the process, so we'll see you there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you there. Uh-oh, he's at it again.
At it again.
Smile, John.
Smile, John.
Get him on tape. Get him on tape. He's buying lunch.
Anybody needs concrete. What's your number?
513-3900.
All right, here comes the boss man, John Wally. 1-800 call anytime concrete. 1-800 call anytime. Everyday concrete. 1-800 call John. 1-800 call John. What's his number?
No job too small.
No job too small. He loves working on Sunday.
You know you will.
You know I will.
Uh-oh, somebody lost their blue. Yeah, that was me.
That comes out of your pay, son. Tell him, Avery. Oh, Butterfingers here?
Yeah, I just left it sideways.
Oh, that's a good one. He don't get no slack because he's my son, I can tell you that.
Oh,
right
yeah,
now.
I can't give him none?
No.
Okay. Junior, fired.
You're fired.
It's actually worse for me, yeah. It's fire, man.
That's it. We got a leak. Take full responsibility for this water main break.
Taking a fifth.
Call 1-800 pump. Here comes the water department police. The water department ambulance is here. I want to make sure the other sewer is okay. We're going to film it right now. Yeah, I want to make sure that, especially Sacco's side, ain't leaking. You know what I mean? No responsibility, baby. You know, first thing that goes wrong here, they'll be going, oh, they broke it, you know? Go fuck yourself. I go ahead and do it, man. Yeah, man. Girls, after a long, hectic delay, broke an old water main in the ground, got the quick patch in, got the sewer tied in, no water main needed, it's coming in a different side, and they're redoing all the sidewalks when the construction job's done. And with that, we're gonna call that a wrap. And there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you at the next one.